How to get refund on Venmo website here. So let's start this video without any further delay. To get a refund on your Venmo website, what you have to do is simply open Google Chrome browser here in front of you and just type login to your account, Venmo account, and Venmo refund. Firstly, I will tell you that is it possible to get a refund. So, on the payment details screen, you will see an option to refund the payment. Refund can only be funded by the money in your Venmo account. So, yes, that is possible for your business profile. Let's know that how can we do it. For this, I will simply go on the official Venmo here. So, yes, Venmo will refund money if that is scam. So, go on the refund rules. If you need to refund your customer, or if you need to get refund of your payment on your business profile, this is you can follow. Click on the login button and log into your account by using your email ID and your password. After logging in, what you have to do is simply reach out to the customer care for your refund. So let's do it. I will log into account because I don't have an login ID right now, but I will show you that how can you do it. Simply click on it, Venmo customer care, and you should reach out to the Venmo customer care or to the Venmo online chat platform to get your refund about. Copy the details and reach out to them. Click on the help center here, and I will click on Venmo help chatbot. Click on it. Let me just find it. Click on the chatbot here, and from this chatbot you can know that if your payment or your item can be refunded in your account. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for watching more updates and videos like this.